Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the DMER nursing exam. First, understand the exam structure. It generally involves a written test and an interview. The written exam is typically multiple choice, lasting about 90 to 120 minutes. It assesses both your nursing knowledge and general aptitude. Knowing this foundational pattern is your crucial first step towards effective preparation and success. Next, let's deconstruct the syllabus. It's broadly split into two parts: nursing topics and general aptitude. Nursing areas encompass fundamentals, medical surgical, child health, community health, and maternity nursing. The general aptitude section tests your general knowledge, reasoning, quantitative skills, and English. Some exams might also include computer knowledge. A thorough understanding of these areas is vital for focused study. Now, let's talk about effective study techniques. Develop a structured study plan, dedicating specific time to each subject. Use reliable resources like textbooks and specialized preparation guides. Consistent practice with mock tests and past papers is crucial to enhance your speed and accuracy. Aim for a deep understanding of concepts, not just memorization, to build a strong foundation for the exam. Finally, let's discuss exam day strategies and review. On exam day, manage your time wisely to attempt every question. Carefully review all your answers before submitting, especially for multiple choice sections. Staying calm and focused under pressure is key to performing your best. In the days before the exam, prioritize revising your weaker subjects and essential concepts to solidify your knowledge. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.